Hi guys. So today we'll be learning how to scrape data using Minexa AI. It's an amazing AI tool through which we can scrape any website data. So for example, today we'll be using remoteweb3.co website as it lists the Web3 jobs. So as you can see website, it's a website which lists the Web3 jobs. Here is the list of Web3 jobs. So to do that, it's a simple. We have to copy the link. I'm copying it here, copy and paste it here. And then we need to select the mode here. As I've selected the list mode, same you can do. And then we need to select a sample data. It's really simple. Just scroll and select some of the data which you want to extract as a sample data, through which AI can understand what all data you need. I just selected and copying it, and I'll paste it here. This sample data. Done. And then we need to create a scrap. So yeah, you need to wait for just 2 minutes. Isn't it amazing that without writing any code, we will be extracting data? There. You have the data, select the columns which you need. So here I'll be selecting job title, company name, and anything like location will be good, and then posted time will be amazing. Job URL, obviously. You can like this, you can select any data, and then you need to just select this option, select above columns. It will give a list of columns which you want to get it extracted. So yeah, now we just need to extract. Yeah, now again it will take just 2 minutes. Isn't it amazing that under 5 minutes we'll be getting required data rather than writing whole sort of code through which we need to, which will take nearly 1 to 2 days. Or wow, we have the data here. Then we can just download this JSON data, and yeah, we'll save it. You can see the data here in JSON format. See, amazing. We have the data here. Congratulations, guys. We have the data. Same you can use with your data sets. Your same you can do with the website you want. Extract the data from the website you want.